everyone, and welcome to Monika's craft challenge. The hashtag for this is hashtag pmacraftchallenge. Monika is hosting this awesome challenge where each month we craft something to the theme of the first letter of the month. So this is March, so this is my M project. And it's really such a fun challenge to do, and I've really enjoyed it because it's allowed me to make things that I've wanted to get making and try and do, and I've found ways around it. So please follow the hashtag, and I will link Monika's which is PaperMona here on YouTube, and yeah, so please follow along, take part. It's an open collaboration challenge thing, so anyone's welcome. So this is what I've decided to do for my M. Now, I got this paper from a haul from Jessicaolasoji craft store. It's the Mr. Vagabond Stamperia pad, and this is literally everything I have left. I have a little bit of the fussy cut sheet left. I've got just a couple of bits. I've got a large bit here, some strips and bits, and one A4 12 by 12 piece of paper. Now, I just couldn't cut into this one. This is so beautiful. I didn't know how to cut into this. So if anyone's got suggestions, I mean, I'm not that bothered about this one. It's just this beautiful image here. So I couldn't cut into that. And then I have a couple of the chipboard stickers that I also got from Cheryl's store, which are the Mr. Vagabond Travelers as well. Now, when I got that and did the haul, I said specifically that I haven't really done steampunk. I did it once in Willistead Art Club, and it's just, I'm just trying to do new things that I've not done this year, and this was one of them. And another thing that I'm trying to overcome as well is making albums. And I figured, well, albums, they're just memory books, right? We put our memories, our thoughts and feelings, and you know, like travelers journals, they're just a documentation of our memories and things that we've done. So if Mr. is an M, memory book is an M, right? And then if not, then I have used magnets. So I think I'm covered with the M. And also Mr. Vagabond is a man. So I think I've covered all aspects. I hopefully got away with it. But yeah, this is my project. Now this, I followed a tutorial for this one and then just sort of adapted it along the way. This was Carolina's Crafts. She did a tutorial on how she made her the bits and pieces to this, and then I've just gone ahead and, like I said, add some extra things. So here is the front. I actually added this closure myself, that wasn't in the tutorial, and I've just added some of the lovely chipboard pieces on here, some of the cogs and clocks, and this beautiful hot air balloon, and all the paper from this kit as well. As you can see, I did this one and then I sort of wrapped it around the book itself, and it is made with chipboard, and then I've backed onto A3 black cardstock as well. So that's that one. And then as it opens, I have fussy cut out some bits, and I've just got some bits every now and again. I'm just going to move my light a bit over. It's such a bright day. I've had to close everything because it's just too bright. It's so funny, isn't it? Anyway, right, opening it up now, and here is the layout. Like I said, I've used some of the chipboard pieces. I love this train here, and then I've done some fussy cutting, etc. So let's just pop this down here and I'll show you. So I included this flat bit here. This is magnetic, and it opens up like so, and then we have these waterfall pages here to store your pictures, do your journaling. Like I say, it's a document for your memories. And then there's a little pocket space here as well. So that is the waterfall feature there. Then this opens up, and again, this pocket here is, this flap even, is magnetic. I've done a little tuck spot with one of the cutout pieces, and then just added again some more of these fussy cut images here. I've not backed them. I thought the paper on the back was beautiful with the text. They can either go onto a project or be added onto something. It doesn't have to be for journaling or whatever. Then I have these 3 little flaps here, really cute. Inside each flap, I fussy cut out some of the tags that are in the paper pad. And then if you flip it over, you again got all this beautiful space here. So that's that side. Then we'll come over to this side, and this one folds out like so. And here we have 3 pockets here. So I've actually added one of these journaling cards and some more of these fussy cut images. And as you can see, this is one of my favourite features. I've actually lined the picture. I really love this little town, this little steampunk town, in the colour, and just lined up so it looks like this. I was really proud of myself for that one. You know, because you have that worrying moment, think, oh no, is it going to go wrong? Anyway, it didn't, so I was happy. Then I've added again another little tuck spot here. There is Mr. Vagabond himself, and again some more of those lovely little fussy cut images. So they're in there. Then this one here is actually a pocket, and in this pocket is a journal. Now, I actually created this journal all by myself. I didn't use a tutorial or anything like that. Again, I've just added some embellishments. There's a balloon, there's the machine, there's Mr. Vagabond again. And I've just wrapped around some of this faux leather cord. It's kind of in this a grey colour, like that. And then as you open it up, there's a belly band here. There's a tuck spot here. I've just added some of these sort of bookmark pages. I've used a book. It's called Twin Peaks, and I love it because it has like this like typewriter text thing and handwritten letter things, and it's just great a book to pull apart and use. I've just folded that one over to make a flap. Use some of the paper and some craft card as well, and I'm just using the offcuts of the pad in here just to make some pull-outs. Again, another little tuck spot here with a little booklet, another page, another one of those. As you can see, it's like typewriter stuff, pages. Added some more of the images here in this little tuck spot, which also folds out, so it folds out as a flap as well. Then in the centre, I've done 2 folded envelopes. I've added some of the sentiments into these pockets here, and then as it flips out, I've added some more journaling cards and images into these pockets and the envelopes. And then there's plenty of space to work here. And then it goes again into a tuck spot with some images and a flap, book page. I've got upwards tuck here with another little card, and then another pull out here with some of the little scraps, book page. I love this. It's like a top secret FBI paper here. I don't know, I just think it just fits, so it was a nice book to work with. And then there's this page, and then there's a little tuck again with a journaling card with that gorgeous image. And then that's the end. So lots of room to grow in this album, which is, you know, what albums are for. And keep your memories. Obviously, he's a man. And this is my project for the month of March. Now, I am actually going to be selling this album. So if you are interested in purchasing this, please drop me an email and we can discuss that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I say, please go and follow that hashtag to see everyone else's projects for M. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they have done. All right, guys, take care. Bye.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all